Hey guys, this is Ryan A. Good afternoon. So, my last 20. You have $20 left, a laptop, and hopefully not these clothes, because these are not the best clothes to go selling. Building a website. So this is a bit beyond my last 20. So I would give you all another video showing you the details of how to build a website, what's the best hosting you should use, and a couple more details, right? So let's get to the my last 20. $20, a laptop, and these clothes, unfortunately. So building websites. So let me just explain websites and what it entails. Your website needs a domain name, which is like the license of your car, right? www.u.com, right? That is about 10, let's say 10 to $15. If the domain name is already taken, excuse me, do not pay $500 or $1,000 to get the domain name. Get creative. Use a .net. We'll speak about those things in a little more detail, but $10 to $15. GoDaddy.com. I would leave that link below. A platform to build the website. That is usually free once you buy the domain name and once you get hosting, which is the third factor, which I'm getting to next. But a platform to build the website. So I use a theme builder, Divi, which I plug into WordPress, which is the platform, which is like the car, right? So the wheels, the tires. If it's a really nice, let's say it's a Benz, it's a fancy car. That's the second factor. Then the last factor is hosting. So we have the license of the car, the domain name, the car, which is the platform, and then hosting, right? That's like the government who allows you to drive on the roads with the car, right? Tony gave me that analogy. You all would see him in Picking Brains, and very smart dude. I'm not sure I sounded as smart as he did giving that analogy, but I hope you do understand. So web hosting. So if you get your client to pay for the web hosting, right? So remember, you pay 10 to 15. So let's say, ideal situation, you pay $10 for a domain name, you have $10 left. The platform to build it is free. The web hosting, you tell your client, hey client, so for hosting you need WP Engine. Here what you're going to do: apply for an affiliate with WP Engine. Let the client pay for that web hosting through your affiliate link. You are going to get $200. This is outside of what the client is going to pay you for the website, but through the affiliate link of WP Engine, they give you $200. It's a one-time payment, but $200. I think I said this in another video. Use this, right? The client is going to pay $35 a month for the hosting. It's the most reliable hosting. It's better than GoDaddy and whoever else. And who else gives you $200, right? So I just made you $200 plus whatever you charge your client. Let's say you're generous and you charge your client $500 for the website, $700, and you still have the $10 left. So you can like go buy pizza or like curry. I love curry. I'm from Trinidad. Curry is the best. Sorry, let me get back. My last 20. Don't forget, save your life. And yeah, I would give you all a video on, as I said, how to actually build a website. It is pretty straightforward, especially if you're doing blogs and similar basic websites. If you're getting a little more complicated, then of course you're gonna need to develop the skill a little more. But yeah, so my last 20. Love you guys. Subscribe. I think it's this. I'm getting accustomed. It's like right here. Subscribe. Love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.